How to watch Naruto Shippuden in English. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin and today I'll guide you on how you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English subtitles or English dubbed as well. Now basically it is available on various platforms, streaming platforms. For example, you can watch Naruto Shippuden on Netflix. You can download Netflix from your Play Store. You can register an account. If you already have one, you can simply open up Netflix and you can browse the Naruto Shippuden in various languages, and it's available in English as well. The other platform is the Crunchyroll. It's the official website where the anime is available, so you can search in for Crunchyroll as well. And here you can see Crunchyroll. You can download this application and then you want to go ahead and register an account, and once you register an account you'll be able to stream various animes on multiple languages and subbed as well. So you'll get the Naruto Shippuden here in English as well. So this way you can watch Naruto Shippuden in English. These are the websites, or these are the applications you can watch on their websites as well, on the Crunchyroll website. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.